Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, we are gonna do kind of like a quick and easy makeup look for school. The back to school season is upon us, and I know that when I was going back to school and everything, I was looking for ideas that were just like quick and easy. That way I could make it out the door in time, but still looked cute and fresh. So that is what this makeup tutorial is gonna be today. So let's just go ahead and hop into the video. Now, when I'm just trying to get out the door and just kind of have a fresh face, I love to use the IT Cosmetics CC cream. Now, mine is in the shade Light, and I feel like it works pretty well. So what I do is I just go ahead and use 2 pumps of this, but I just love this stuff. I feel like it's very lightweight, but it still gives you a good amount of coverage, and I feel like it looks really pretty on the skin too. It's got a nice finish to it, so I love using this in a beauty blender. Or of course, you don't have to use a beauty blender. You could totally use like a Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge or anything like that. Now, I also have a massive pimple on my forehead, so please excuse that. We are gonna go ahead and cover that bad boy up, and what I'm gonna use for concealer today is the Makeup Revolution concealer. Love this stuff, and I think it's great for concealing underneath the eyes or for blemishes and whatever. I think it's just all around a very good concealer. So in these cases where I just want to kind of get out the door, I just do my under eyes and wherever else I feel like I need it. So I don't really do highlighting on the chin or anything like that. Just, you know, very, very simple. Nothing too crazy. Now, when you're trying to cover a zit, you want to kind of like go around the edges and be really careful because you don't want to like rub off the concealer. And if you need to go in with a second layer, definitely feel free to do so. Just remember to pat very, very gently around it, and voila, the zit is covered. Don't worry, girl, I got you. So I'm also going to take a little bit of that concealer up on the top of the lid, and that's basically what I use for primer every single day. Just kind of gives it a little bit of a canvas, and also, you know, kind of cancels out any of the darkness or anything like that. All right, perfect. See, that took like no time at all. Now, to set everything, I am just going to use the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. Love this stuff, you guys. This is great too if you're in a hurry. Like, you can just like slather this on everywhere, and it really doesn't take that long. Now, definitely make sure to put quite a bit and be gentle over your blemish if you do have one. And I just kind of let it sit there too for a little bit. That way I can really kind of seal it and lock it in there. Now that we have our base done, I'm just going to quickly bronze up the face, and for that I'm going to use the NYX Matte Bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium. Just a very kind of pretty warm toned bronzer. So I'm not really contouring, but I'm just kind of bronzing up the face with that, just so we can add some color and some life back into our skin. To add a healthy glow to the cheeks, I am going to be using the NARS Orgasm blush. It is just such a pretty color and looks really great on the cheeks. This is like a little mini one because this is the one I got for my birthday. They had like a little birthday gift at Ulta, I think it was. But yeah, it's a super pretty blush. I just love the color that it gives to the cheeks. Just looks so natural and pretty, and I really, really like it. Now, of course, to look fresh, we have to add some highlight. One of the ones I really love is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, because it doesn't look like super blinding and intense. It just looks like a really fresh, like healthy glow, and I really love that for days where I'm just going for a fresh, healthy look and nothing too intense. It just really makes the skin look naturally glowy, and I just really love it. Also gonna put that on the nose, bridge of the nose, and I love putting it underneath the brow bone as well. Alright, so now for brows, what I love to do when I'm kind of in a hurry is I will kind of quickly fill them in a little bit. So I'm going to use the Benefit Kabrow. I'm literally just going to kind of fill in those little sparse areas just to give it a little bit more fullness. That way my eyebrows don't look like too thin and bare. I also kind of like to define the bottom part of my brows. So that is all I do with the Kabrow. Now I go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and this just kind of fluffs them up and fills in kind of the rest of these sparse areas. And I just love this stuff. It's so quick and easy, and I just feel like it makes your brows look really good and just fills them in and kind of gives them that fullness, like just really, really well. Okay guys, so that is literally all that I do for brows. Just kind of give them that little bit of fullness, but not doing the whole shebang that takes me like 15 minutes. This really does save a lot of time in my routine when I'm just trying to be quick about it. So I definitely recommend the Benefit Gimme Brow or anything like this. Now for eyeshadow, we're just gonna do something super quick. And I'm actually just gonna go in with the bronzer that we used on our face. And I'm gonna take a crease brush. And I'm literally just gonna put that in the crease just to give me, you know, just that little bit of definition. That way my eyes aren't like so naked and bare. It just really adds a nice little definition to the eyes. So for eyeshadow, you could totally stop right here, and I think this looks great. However, if you want that little extra something that makes you look like you really tried, I love using the Tarte Chrome Paints. This one is in the shade Top Yacht, and literally you guys, all you do is like just dip your finger in there and just start applying to the lid, and they're so freaking intense and I love it, and they're easy to apply, easy to work with, and it's like boom, you're done. Now actually I'm quickly gonna go ahead and grab some of that bronzer and just kind of put it on the lower lash line a little bit just to give us a little bit more definition. Now, of course, you have to curl your lashes and make them look all nice and long, and put on some mascara. Now, the mascara that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Of course, you don't have to use this mascara. I personally think it's really, really great, but you know, use whatever works best for you. I swear you guys, mascara makes the biggest difference. Love mascara. Now, of course, you could just totally skip on the eyes completely and just wear mascara. And girl, I swear, like mascara just makes you look so put together. I love it. Now, to finish this off, you definitely don't have to wear a lip gloss, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a lip gloss on just because lip gloss kind of brings a little bit of color into your face and definitely makes you look polished and finished. So what I'm going to use is the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Pink Lady. I definitely love these lip glosses, and they're like pretty sheer, but they still add that little bit of color, and it just, oh, I love lip gloss. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I just love this look. I just think it's so fresh and pretty, and it looks like I took the time to do my makeup and get ready, but it was so quick and easy to do. So again, I love doing these on my days where I'm kind of in a rush, or just days where I don't really want to wear a lot of makeup and still look put together. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now, of course, there are going to be more back to school videos. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do like a kind of glam back to school video, and then another one kind of doing like a drugstore only back to school makeup look. So definitely be on the lookout for those. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!